project is the 2000 Chevy Impala. What we're doing today is the headlights are real cracked and surfaced. My parents got the car back in 2012, 50,000 miles on a 2000 Chevy Impala, and the car sits outside. It was garage kept before we got it, but the car sits outside now, and you can see what the last 5 years have done to the headlights. They're still functioning fine, but there's no way you're going to be able to polish that out. We've tried to keep up with it, keep some plastic X material on there just to keep them from cracking and discoloring, but they're really messed up now. So what I did, my sister was really noticing how bad the lenses were, and so what I decided to do was get her a new set for Christmas. But anyways, we'll give you a new look at the headlights. You got your fancy instructions. Packaged very nicely, gotta say that. Now these were $136. You can get direct replacements for I think $75, $80. Something just fell. Oh, my little back plastic part. So here you go. Still like the black view there, or the blacked out. Now the headlight beams are kind of squared compared to the originals. But why I got these was for this LED strip on the bottom. Now, if I'm correct, I believe those stay on as daylight running lights instead of the standard high beam. We'll pull the car out and show you what that looks like. And with the way these headlights are set, you can't do a HID kit very easily because everything, it's basically a plug and play type situation. There's your plug there. You put your 9006 bulb there, and you put your 9005 bulb there for the high beams, and then your signal and so forth. But this plug right here powers everything. So an HID kit's rather difficult to install, or do it correctly anyway. So we've got some Silver Star Ultras that she's happy with. She doesn't want to mess with the HIDs or the LED kits. So, but the high beam daylight running light just has bugged me since we've had the car. So I figured this would be a cool way to give it a little bit more modern look. Hopefully this plastic will last better. The lenses themselves have a nice clear plastic coating on them, so it's a very well packaged. Kudos to the Spec-D. So we'll pull the car out a little bit here where we can get a little bit more sunlight and give you a better idea what it looks like. Now it's kind of deceiving as to how to get these lights out, but it's a piece of cake, it really is. This little clip right here will pop out. There's one, and then you'll need a screwdriver or the special tool to pull these tabs out, because you have another plastic piece right there, and the same on this side. There's a plastic one under there, and this one right here. So hang on and we'll get this knocked out. I don't think it'll take very long at all. We'll swap over our Sylvania bulbs, and we'll see how it looks. I can't wait to see how bright the LED strip. That's what I've really been wondering. Now we'll stick in this one and just get a look, make sure everything's working like it should. All the pins line up correctly. There we go. Just kind of slide it in here. Yep. Leave the plastic on just for a minute. Wow, looks pretty nice. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look, Okay, that I wasn't sure, but the LEDs come on with the running lights. And the LEDs are also supposed to act as the daylight running light by themselves. So far, I'm really impressed, folks. This is, that's pretty incredible. That's really, really neat. Very nice. Man, look at that. Nice. Pretty stylish there. Yeah, look at that. You know, that's pretty good bright LED too. I was thinking it might just be kind of a cheap cheesy little deal there, but that's cool. Alright folks, I'm happy. That's very nice. Let's work on the other 12. We'll get to the high beams. Wow, that high beam looks pretty good. And of course the LED too. So you go from a round bezel to a square bezel, but you get the LED. I'm impressed. I like it. Let's do next side. There we go. One. I think we have it lined up wrong. Let's see. This side is not in this right. Alright folks, I just noticed an issue. It looks like it'll have to be modified. But look right here. When I press in, these tabs are what we're looking at right here. See? That's just what you need to be able to line this pin up. There you go. See? It slides in. Okay, now this is with it closed. Now there is our issue. This side, this gap right here should not be here. You should be able to slide the pin right over it. And as you can see, there's that gap. You say, well, press it in. Okay, look, I pressed it in. Here's the issue. This little fancy edge right here is too far out, and it won't allow these pins on this side for the clips to press in. So this is a hard plastic. I don't know if we need to move it or kind of angle this in behind the metal. That seems like long term that's going to scrape. I might try it though. You know, putting this in from back here. Let's see what it does. It could just be a mild oversight. Yeah, see, that's not going to fit. It won't slide over there. See, it bottoms out right here. So it looks like to make this work, we'd have to trim. Let's look at the other side. Yeah, the other headlight has the same issue. It's a hard plastic, it's not a rubber, but it sticks out too far. We might try putting this side in, just see if it has the same issue. It kind of looks like it will. We'll see. Alright, so we're on the right side of the car now, just to make sure that the issue with these headlights is exactly the same, and it is. As you see, it's maxed out right here on the edge. So it fits nice and flush, and the shape's really good. So it's going to be a shame to have to cut that to modify it. I don't know if we'll have to, some of this will be able to slide in, it looks like. I just don't think we want to, I mean, maybe we want to do that. It seems like a lot to have to. Let's see. Maybe this is how they're designing it. I don't know. It's going to have to get into that corner. really shove it in. I'm moving the car back. You can see. I think the car stopped. So I don't know. Here we go. Oh, camera's going everywhere. Alright, so this may have been the issue. They kind of want you to shove this way back in there. I don't like that because see how that puckers there? But I think that's what they're... It's going to be a super tight fit, but it looks like it will work. So, no trimming required. Just a lot of pressure. Let's try that on this side, see how it does. That would definitely help. Definitely a little bit more force than I was expecting to need to put into it. And see, you got this corner right here. Right here in the sheet metal. See that corner right there? And the corner of the... Here's the issue that I see that I don't really like. Is you've got this corner right here that you have to shove that corner of the soft plastic into. Not impressed with that, but once it's in, I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere. So here we go. Let's watch, get it in at an angle, and we'll make sure the tabs are in over here. And we've got the tabs in over here. Alright. That apparently, folks, is what did it. So, we press it a little bit more. Sorry about my sinuses, causing my voice to be funny. But there you go. And we'll press in. There you go. Watch the camera. There we go. Ah, alright. So there you go. That pin's in. Probably have to press in on this side. It's a little narrow, but it'll work. There we go. There's that. Yep, that did pretty good actually. Okay, folks. So thanks for hanging in there as long as you did. There is no cutting required. So that's good to know. No cutting required, and it'll definitely be a tight fit. Most likely we'll turn this portion to a time lapse as I switch bulbs over. There. Yeah, it does it. It takes a little torque to put that in there. And line up your pin. Let's turn it on real quick to make sure we're working. Hey, very nice. See on the high beat. There we go, that's better. So yeah, it seems to be working good. There's the LED. I tell you what, that is cool. A few little design issues there, but as you can tell, without having to be real crazy, not a lot of work, so we got it figured out. So there you go. These headlights will fit a 2000 to 2006 Chevy Impala. So far, we're happy with it. I'm going to put this on pause since we're low battery. We'll pull it out into the sunlight so the headlights aren't on and see if just the LEDs are. Alrighty, well, as you can see, I'm a little bit disappointed. I was thinking that from what I read, the LEDs would shine on the bottom. That is not the case. I don't know if it's a wiring issue or what. It's probably just the way the headlights are set up. but only the high beam turns on just like it does on the original. So honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed about that. Maybe I didn't read the description enough, but as you can see, there is no LED on the bottom. Kind of a bummer about that. Let me turn the headlights back on so you can see what I'm thinking of seeing. Now there's just the running lights. Yeah, there you can see them. So we got just turned the running lights on. The LEDs they come on for that, but not for the daylight running. That's what I was really hoping to get, but apparently I was misinformed on that. I'll have to go back and look at the ad and see what it says, but a little bit of a bummer there. It still looks pretty neat though. We'll pull it back up and let you all see what it looks like when the headlights come on.